Hey, this is Tameron from Tameron Hyundai. I'd like to thank you so much for inquiring on our 2006 Toyota Solara and our 2013 Nissan Rouge. This is a very nice vehicle. You got very good taste. This vehicle is, keep in mind, the 2006 on the 106,000 miles on there. That is very good for its year. If you come inside and look at the inside of it, this vehicle has leather interior, really nice. So if you want to spill juice or anything in this car, you can just wipe it down, easy to clean. Also have a CD player for a 2006, not a tape player, a CD player. Please give me a call at 205-586-4644 and let's schedule a VIP appointment and take this vehicle for a test drive. And at Tameron Hyundai, you're gonna love the way you treat it.